At Precision Aerospace Corporation, we strive to define the leading-edge technology in the aerospace industry through state-of-the-art facilities and processes. At our 85,000 square foot state-of-the-art high-technology facility, we specialize in the chemical milling and machining of aerospace components for military and commercial aircrafts, helicopters, rockets, and space vehicle applications. We also specialize in the chemical milling of exotic alloys, which includes nickel, iron, and titanium. We also process large aluminum alloy structures. In addition to chemical milling, we specialize in work-complete jobs where material is procured, then fabricated by various processes, including forming, heat treatment, welding, machining, or chemical milling, and finished to customer specifications as required. We pride ourselves on our competitive pricing, the excellent customer service, and on-time delivery. Our quality record is one of the best in the industry. Precision Aerospace Corporation is also AS9100 and ISO 9001 certified. In addition, we're accredited by NADCAP for chemical processing. Precision Aerospace Corporation is approved by major defense and commercial prime contractors, NASA and DoD, including Boeing, Airbus, Northrop Grumman, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, General Electric, and United Technologies, just to name a few. Our story began in 1989 as a small family business. Since then, our management team has grown and has over 200 years of combined experience. Our team prides ourselves on our philosophy, with safety first for both our customers and employees, our environmentally sound practices and processes, and on our quality products and services. At PAC, we believe in reaching for the stars, and we're confident we can get you there.